Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HDLT, equipped with a 6.6 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other amenities included such as heated bucket seats, Google Assistant and Maps, real truck advantage tonneau cover, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom next to speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with the wooden chrome accents. And we're going to have this 40-20-40 bench split seat, power driver's seat, both heated. And left side will be your ventilation with your 2- and 4-wheel drive and mode selector and lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being a voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as your audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and other settings as well. So let's push to start. Classic home truck shifter, and onto the infotainment equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. Here you hit cameras, and that's going to give you front and rear and 360-degree camera, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant there. You're going to have lane change alert with park assist, as well as hill descent control, part of the Z7-1 package. When you push to start, you're going to have your integrated brake controller with your dual zone climate controls and 2 USB ports on the side. And here, center console, lots of extra storage. There's all storage down below. Get it back down, just find the tab, pulls right down. And passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable, wooden chrome all the way across, speakers vents up top. And then here you can access radio lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. So you're getting these 18-inch wheels on Michelin LTX all-terrain tires. You get the Z7-1 badging, 6.6 and Allison transmission badging. You got the trailering mirrors, keyless entry door handles, as well as the side steps here. And you got the real truck advantage tonneau cover with the chrome quarter step bumper, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under, the Rancho shocks. The easy lift tailgate, you got your 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port with around 12 bed tie downs with your hitch points. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, get more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power window with a wooden chrome accent. Up here, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear vents, rear USB ports, and an AC wall charger there. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. As well as storage behind the seats, storage under, with lamps up top, and the handles on the side. Great, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HDLT, equipped with a 6.6 liter V8 engine, as well as heated seats, Google Assistant and Maps, adaptive cruise control, trailering mirrors, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.